I'm making this video to share my recent experience related to customer validation. You know, so before starting, let me give a little bit of background. So I'm working with a company, with an engineering company in Noida, and so what we do is we approach companies who are into designing and new product development. So that's a particular category. So I was trying to approach a new company, based out at NCR only, and so what I did, I went to their website and I validated them that this is the right fit or not. So according to me, like as per their product portfolio, as per their customers, as per their company capacity, I could easily find out that this is the right customer for me. So what I did, I arranged the contact number of the purchase head. You know, so what I did, I spoke to him and I gave a presentation about me, what I do, why I'm approaching him. I gave him the reason of the call. So what he said, Himanshu, I got it, I understand, but these type of activities doesn't happen in our company. So I was like, you know, man, these activities should happen in your company as per your website, as per the details are available on the internet. And so I was pretty sure, this is the right fit. Though purchase head of the department is genuinely saying, man, this is something what we don't do. You know, so what I did, I did not give up. I requested him to connect me with the design department. On like in other words, I requested him to connect with the other department. So that happened throughout 1 month. So I was speaking to him continuously, on regular basis. So at the end, I was like, can you connect me with the other department? Let me speak to him. He was like, hey Manshu, I already told you, this type of activity doesn't happen in our company. So like upon insisting, couple of times by me, so he finally gave me the contact of the design head. So when I spoke to him, something magical happens. He was like, uh, so what I did, I called him, I gave him the reason of the call, and I presented, my product, like why I'm calling, what I do, what we offer. He was like, Himanshu, where were you? And we are literally looking for a vendor like you. I was like amazed, for past 1 month, what is happening in this particular account. I'm speaking to I'm speaking to a authority. I'm speaking to a decision maker, who's the purchase head, and who is saying, that we don't need your services, or in other words, these type of activities doesn't happen in our company. But because I was pretty sure, because I've done my this inspection, prospect qualification, I've done it very correctly. So I knew, that what I'm doing is correct, and yes, it will give me results. But at the end, as so what happened today is, I just spoke to him, and yeah, things are continuing. So what I want you to do is just comment below and tell me what did you learn from this. Yeah, bye bye.